If I take your case, from the date we file your case, it'll be about 2 years before your case comes up to trial. In between the filing of the case and trial, we'll be working together to prepare your case. That means I'm committing to trying it to verdict. And that's one of the most important things that I think you have to know before you pick any lawyer. There are a lot of lawyers out there that can say they handle medical malpractice or products liability, but what you have to find out is how many of them will commit to taking the case to verdict. Know this, I'm committing to taking it to trial and taking it to verdict. Not every case will go to verdict. In fact, most of them settle. But I don't know if that's going to be your case. So I make this commitment to you. I will prepare your case, I will get it ready, and it will be ready for trial. And in my experience, the only time insurance companies will settle is if they know that you're ready to take them to the wall.